Why most people fail at their goals. How to hit business goals in just 90 days. A proven system. 85% of businesses fail to achieve their quarterly goals, not because they lack ideas, but because they lack focus. In today's video, I'm sharing the ultimate 90-day goal-setting system for business success. A step-by-step plan to help you hit your revenue targets, expand your customer base, and grow your business faster than ever before. Let's get started. Why business goals often miss the mark. Here's the problem. Most businesses set goals like, I want to grow revenue or I want to get more customers. But those goals are vague and lack a clear path forward. The secret to success? Don't just set goals. Build a system that ensures consistent progress toward those goals. The 90-day framework. Why it works for business, why 90 days. For businesses, it's the perfect time frame to plan, execute, and analyze. Longer timelines often lead to procrastination, and shorter ones don't give you enough data. Here's how it works. Focus on 1 or 2 high-impact business goals for the next 90 days. Break them down into weekly milestones and actionable daily steps. Example, if your goal is to increase revenue by $30,000 this quarter, break it down. Aim to close $10,000 per month, target 3 new clients per week, or run a high-converting marketing campaign for the next 30 days. Setting smart business goals. Every business goal needs to be smart. Example 1. Instead of saying, I want more clients, say, I will onboard 15 new clients in the next 90 days by running 2 targeted ad campaigns and hosting 1 webinar. Example 2. Don't just say, I want to improve website traffic. Be specific. I'll drive 10,000 more website visits in 90 days by launching a Google Ads campaign and optimizing SEO. The more specific your goal, the easier it is to track and achieve. Daily and weekly systems for business growth goals are achieved through consistent action. Here's how to break it down. Daily actions. Schedule 2 hours for lead generation, follow-ups, or campaign monitoring. Weekly milestones. Launch ad campaigns, analyze performance metrics, or refine your sales funnel. Track your progress regularly. Weekly reviews are crucial. Example, if your goal is to increase sales, your daily task could include cold outreach to 10 potential clients, optimizing your landing page, and responding to leads immediately. The focus factor, avoiding overwhelm. One of the biggest reasons businesses fail to hit their goals is trying to do too much at once. Pick 1 or 2 goals that will have the biggest impact on your business. It's better to do a few things well than spread yourself too thin and achieve nothing. Pro tip, use the Pareto principle. 20% of your efforts will deliver 80% of your results. Focus on the tasks that directly drive revenue or growth. Tools and strategies to scale faster. Let's talk about tools. The right ones can save you time and skyrocket your results. Here are my top picks. For lead generation, use LinkedIn Sales Navigator or Apollo.io. For task management, Asana or ClickUp keeps your team aligned. For marketing, Canva for creatives, Google Ads for traffic, and ConvertKit for email automation. Bonus. Tip, track everything. Use Google Analytics to monitor traffic and your CRM to track sales pipelines and conversions. The power of accountability and team alignment goals don't just belong in your head. Share them with your team or accountability partner to keep everyone aligned. Steps to stay accountable. Have a weekly meeting to review progress. Assign clear responsibilities to team members. Celebrate wins, big or small, to keep the momentum going. Accountability transforms intentions into actions. Never underestimate the power of teamwork. The weekly review. Your business GPS every week. Spend 30 minutes analyzing your business progress. Here's a quick framework. What worked this week? Celebrate those wins. What didn't work? Learn from mistakes. What needs to be adjusted for next week? For example, if your marketing campaign isn't generating leads, tweak the ad copy or test a new audience segment. Start scaling your business today. Now it's your turn. What's the one business goal you're committing to for the next 90 days? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with a fellow entrepreneur, and subscribe for more proven strategies to grow your business. Let's crush your goals together. See you in the next video.